What's up YouTube, what's up everybody, it's your boy Kansi Beach right here with another awesome and amazing video. Yeah, so today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Gunna type beat. So make sure to stick right in the video and then see how I do that without wasting much time. Click that like button, subscribe, make sure to subscribe and then click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Let's get to today's video. Hey, so on today's video I'm gonna make a Gunna type beat, a very easy and very quick Gunna type beat, a very bouncy beat. So first of all I want to make this about 15 bpm. It's a classic bounce type beat for Gunna. And then I have this harp sound. This is what I'm gonna use, and then I'm just gonna normalize it so it's gonna be loud. It's not because it's not loud enough. And now I'm just gonna play some melodies and then see what fits best. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to bring this down. Take this up. Sorry. Take everything up. And then right now, since I've gotten this, I'm just gonna play this. I'm sorry, repeat it over again, and then I'm gonna repeat everything, and then bring the bottom note down. Alright, I just want to do something with this top note. I just want to try something different. Ooh, that's so nice. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to take this one up an octave. Then I'm gonna put one note right here. Right now, I'm just gonna add some flute. So cut itself because this is a flute. Then I just wanna do something with it. So. Just get something quick. Then I'll just do this. Alright. And then right now sorry, I want to add some vocal chop, so I'm thinking this will do. So I'm gonna add this. And then I want to add some top notes for the melody. So right? So I want to do this. And then take this, repeat it once more over here. So right now I think that's about it for the melody. I'm just gonna skip right away to the drums. So next I want to add a hi-hat. Okay, then I'm gonna do feed these 2 steps, then a clap, this. For time's sake, I'm just gonna use a MIDI, a hi-hat MIDI. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna shift this one so where I have the roll. Okay. And then I'll just make this one feel like a transition, and then also this. Okay. And then I also want to do something here. Do something like this. And I'm done. And then I'm going to quickly add an 808. Okay, and then cut itself. And I'm just going to follow the root note. Take the follow down. Pitch this one up. Then I want to do something. Add an open hat. Piano. Then I'm gonna add this also. All right. guys, before I do anything else, I want to add a snare. I want to lay a snare on the clap so it hits hard, and do something with it. So first forget this off, and then I might want to change the clap, so very okay. So guys, I just finished arranging the beats. I'm going to play the beat for you guys to listen, so here the beat goes. All right, so this is the beat. So thank you all for sticking right in the video up to this moment. Thank you guys for watching, and then do not forget to also like, subscribe, and then click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Hey, let's go.